Today in this video, I'm going to show you a feature in this Rain Bird controller where you can find the total run times of a program. So this total run times is how many minutes all the zones are running added up, so you know this program runs X amount of time. Let me show you this feature right now.
Oh, it'd help if I had it unlocked. So we got this Rain Bird controller here, and I'll show you which one it is. It's the ESP-LXME controller. It's a pretty good controller, good Rain Bird controller, but the feature that we want to show you today is where you can look up the total run times. And so you've got your turn dial here, and if you click it over, you've got your start times, you've got your different days to water. Of course, then when you click it to station run times, you can go through, see we got number 1, 12 minutes, number 2, 12 minutes. We've got a lot of things already programmed. Now what you want to do is you want to turn your dial to where it says test all programs or check system. Now you've got a menu here that has several things. Confirm program, test all stations. What we want to do is confirm program. So it's blinking on that one. You want to hit this button that says next. Brings you to the next menu. It says program summary, review program, program runtime, station runtime. We want to go to this program runtime, so we're going to hit down, hit over to next. This gives us program A, and see you've got Rain Bird has this little switch deal. You can go between A, B, C, and D. So program A, let me get to where you can see this. Program A total runtime is 6 hours and 45 minutes. That's how to find the total runtime of every program. And so then I could flip it over to B. It's program B. We have nothing programmed in it, so total runtime is 0. And you can do that for every single program here. This is a cool feature and a good bit of information to know, especially when you're programming your controller. And particularly now I know how long it's going to run, so now I can manage my start time of when I want it to start and when I want it to end. And so if I know that I need to have this system, and actually this particular system, we want it to stop by 5 a.m. because that's when different professionals and things start showing up to this building. And so we want it to stop by 5 a.m. Well, it runs 6 hours and 45 minutes. So we're actually gonna have to start it earlier, or in the night, in the PM of the day before. And so we have it starting at 10 p.m. So now it's going to run all the way through, and it will be done before 5 a.m. That's what knowing your total run times is going to help you when you really have to dial in a system and get one running at a particular time and an exact time to start and stop and all those kinds of things. Now if we go change the run times, we may have to change our start time. And what we'll do is if we change our run times, bump them up or down, I'll go back to that total run times, calculate to see how long it's running, and then I'll adjust my start time from there. Kelly Staggs here, American Irrigator, trying to make you a better irrigator. Consider subscribing and hitting that bell. That way you don't miss any tips.